Ladies and gentlemen, the LA Cosmo. This is his twist on the classic cosmopolitan drink. Okay, so we start off with a little bit of vodka. Okay, all right, we go in there. Come behind with some orange liqueur. All right, okay. We're gonna roll with that. Okay, awesomeness. Now, we go a little bit off course now from a typical Cosmo because he's putting in raspberry syrup, all right? Then he comes behind that with fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay, so I'm wondering, okay, how's this raspberry gonna work in there? Egg whites as well. Remember, guys, egg whites is not gonna change the taste of the drink. It's gonna give it a nice frothiness, change the texture, okay? Make it sexy. And you have to double shake it, once with ice, once without ice, in any order. You could go ice first, no ice second, or no ice first, ice second. You see what I'm saying? You could twist it up, all right? And then he threw myself off there. Strain that in, then he comes behind a nice little orange peel. Express. Okay? Woo, go around the rim, love that, okay? Put that on there, and we are good to go, hallelujah. And there you have it, the LA Cosmo, created by a new mixologist in the house, master mixologist Karl, right here, okay? Anyway, so how'd you come up with this? Don't tell me what you're putting it, but I mean, like, how did you come up with this? What is about this says LA?
I wanted to do like a play on a Cosmo. Cosmo's an old school drink that people kind of don't drink anymore, and I want to put a twist and make it approachable, make it something fun to drink.
Okay, so what's the twist? The raspberry?
The raspberry and egg white.
Yeah, that's true, because I just realized, you'd never have eggs in a Cosmo.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And fresh lemon.
Okay, so, but guess what? You're gonna be the taste on this. I want you to taste this and tell us what you taste.
I taste deliciousness in the glass. You get a little raspberry, you get the lemon, the vodka's really nice, you get a little butter, vanilla, super calm. Delicious.
You look like a rock and roll guy, kind of. You got some tattoos, some rings and stuff like that. Am I correct?
Yes, a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, good. What song would this be in the rock and roll world?
Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses.
Guns N' Roses. Let me tell you, okay, coming from the Bahamas, right? Your boy knew nothing about Guns N' Roses and rock and roll, but the dive bar workout was like a rock and roll bar. And like Guns N' Roses on the jukebox, dude, I could say every word to every song because I've heard them so much. Oh, sweet child of mine.
It was actually my first concert, so yeah.
Awesomeness. Listen, guys, go check out my boy Karl on Instagram at what?
Spirit and Spoon.
Spirit and Spoon, okay? Spoon is singular there, okay?
You got it.
Stay tipsy.